Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apple, your Ilongga vlogger. Due to this COVID-19 pandemic, we have a lot of sardines in the house, and that is why we're making this video today, our simple sardinas patty. Keep on watching! Alright, to start with, separate the sardines from its sauce, mash it, add the minced garlic, minced onions, 1 cup of flour, and then 1 egg. Mix it thoroughly until it's fully combined. Don't forget to add salt, pepper, and sugar to taste, and mix it again until it looks like this. Then we can go ahead and fry it. After frying everything, you can go ahead and serve it. That's it for today, guys. Here's our simple sardinas patty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, click the like button. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.